India is home to 140 crore dreams. Yet, 85% of our farmers are smallholders, earning barely 10,000 rupees a month. The data tells an uncomfortable truth. Where farmer incomes are lowest, India's multi-dimensional poverty is highest. Our farmers' prosperity and India's poverty are not separate stories. They are the same story. Our Annadata faces a crisis on every front. Erratic monsoon, degraded soils, rising input costs, and exploitative intermediaries with sometimes little access to credit or insurance. And cutting across all of this are women farmers who shoulder 50 to 60% of all agricultural labor remain largely invisible to the formal economy. India cannot become Viksit Bharat if half our farming workforce is left behind. Pragati is India's answer. Inspired by Atmanirbhar Bharat and the PM Kisan Mission, Pragati is building 20,000 agri-entrepreneurs as the last-mile bridge between technology, services, government entitlements and the farmer at the field's edge. Each agri-entrepreneur trained and certified by CCS Niam Jaipur under the Government of India serves 100 to 150 farmers from their own village. They deliver climate-smart and regenerative agriculture advisory. They provide quality agri-inputs, farm mechanization, digital banking and market linkage all from one Pragati store at the farmer's doorstep. This is not a welfare program. This is rural economic transformation. In Bihar, in association with the Gates Foundation and Jivika, has achieved something unprecedented: full state saturation. 5,300 agri-entrepreneurs are now active across all 38 districts, reaching 70% of Bihar's panchayats. 1.5 million farmers are being served. And together, these AEs have clocked cumulative business transactions of over 1,200 crore rupees within 3 to 5 years. This is not a pilot. It is a proven, scalable movement. In Madhya Pradesh's Dhar and Jhabua, the LEAP program, supported by SBI Foundation, has reached 30,000 farmers across 334 villages. 330 live agri-enterprises. 29.59 crore rupees in just 2 years of incubation. Pragati is a national initiative anchored by PepsiCo Foundation, SBI Foundation, Gates Foundation, HSBC India, IDH, Heifer International, Environmental Defence Fund and Global AE Academy, implemented through Sustainable Agriculture Foundation, Agri-Entrepreneur Growth Foundation and TRIF. Together, we are deploying 20,000 agri-entrepreneurs across 9 states, unlocking a cumulative rural economy of over 4,000 crore rupees by 2030. Our alliance rests on 4 pillars: regenerative agriculture, healing soils, conserving water, reducing input costs; financial inclusion, connecting smallholders to credit, insurance and digital banking; income diversification, from on-farm and off-farm sources including dairy, poultry and goatery, with women's livelihoods at the center of each; and gender inclusion, which strengthens the role of women as farmers, entrepreneurs and decision makers within their communities. India's farmers do not need charity. They need capability, connectivity and a fair chance. Pragati gives them all three through one of their own, from their own village. With the Government of India's vision and your leadership, we can turn 20,000 agri-entrepreneurs into the backbone of a new rural economy touching 2 million farmers, regenerating our soils and writing a defining new chapter in India's agricultural story.